Let's go with counting and learning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, up, basic turn, 6, change hands. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and stop the lady. Forward, 1, 2, 3, down with the left, up with the left. Throw both hands like X, 1, 2, catch by 3, 5, bring around, 6, 7. Here I'm gonna have enlarge and close up, so watch the hand work. 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, and cross body with a bear hug. And 1, 2, 3 on the spot, 6, 7. Open 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, in. 1, 2, cross body with half, 5, 6, roll in. Repeat, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, now, 1.5, turn, elbow in, push the lady, 5, 6, 7, over la cabeza, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7.